Home repairs that cannot wait. Hey, home improvement can be costly and time consuming. So it's no surprise that many people just put it off, thinking I'll just keep, I won't make repairs, put it off as long as possible. Small repairs you can do this with, until the time is right. Maybe you're going on vacation, or maybe you're just waiting till you have a certain amount of money in the bank. But there are some repairs that you really need to take care of pretty much straight away or as soon as possible. So that's what we're going to go over in these two videos. And if you fail to do repairs to some of the things I'm going to go over in this, it could result in either serious injury or a serious increased cost for yourself. Okay, so the first thing you really want to pay attention to is your electrical system. So, there are minor things, minor home improvements, things like changing a ceiling fan or a light switch maybe. These are example of repairs that, they're not a big concern. They can be done whenever you have the time, whenever you can fit them into your schedule. But there are some things that you just shouldn't wait for when it comes to your electrical system. And one example of this would be a circuit breaker failure. You really need to have that taken care of. You might have flickering or inconstant lighting. That's something also you really want to pay attention to. And switch plates or cover plates that feel warm or hot when you touch them, they're also really serious areas of concern. If you notice you have any of these kind of problems, it's a really good idea to enlist the help of a professional electrician as soon as you can. So that's the first thing, the electrical. And then the next thing would be, to take consideration of is your roofing. The roof is really a super important part of your home's defense against the elements, obviously. So leaks are really, you need to take care of. Missing or damaged shingles if you've got them, and particularly if you have any sagging areas in your roof. These, you just do not want to put these things off. They need to really be addressed as soon as you notice them. A sagging roof, for example, could collapse if you're living in an area where you get snow, or where you get heavy winds. And if you have like a two-story or an attic, it could be an indication of improper ventilation, for example. And in addition to that, small leaks may lead to bigger problems, like you'll start to get mold. This could lead to rotting support beams and a weakened general structure. So those are two areas that you really need to take care of. In the next video we'll go over 3 more really important areas that these are the kind of repairs that cannot wait. But what, hey, what do you guys think? Drop a comment, let me know what you think are really important things. Maybe you have some experience in your home life of letting something go, letting a repair go, and then really paying the price down the road for it. You don't want to do that. You don't want to pay a heavy price down the road. So take care of it, as soon as you can. Hey, thanks for listening to today. There's more videos coming. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it.